Hi. Can you help spin the lettuce? You helping Mommy cook?
Yeah.
Spin the lettuce. Look. Mercer. Good job. Can you spin it? Can you spin the lettuce? All right. That lettuce came from our garden, huh? Can you help Mommy pick it? And you got sprayed while Mommy washed it? Yeah? Yay! Good job. All right. Thanks, baby. Thanks for helping. Thanks for helping. Bye. Bye-bye.